I wanted to do a quick overview of the little quail brooder that we have. As you can see, it's just a simple tote. I picked it up at Walmart for like $7. I am feeding the Manna Pro Game Bird Showbird Starter Grower food. It comes in little tiny pellets, which are still too big for the quail, so you have to grind it up. So I have a little Tupperware lid in there with some. And then I also have this waterer with just a mason jar on it, but the water trough is small enough that the quail can't drown. The one I have for my chicks is quite a bit bigger, and I've heard of them drowning, so I got the smaller one to prevent that from happening. I have the shot glass in there just to give you a size comparison when I bring the quail in. I have some that are about a week old, and then 2 days old is the newest one that I have that you'll be seeing today. On the top of the tote, I cut out a square and put some hardware cloth on it. You can glue it in, but I didn't feel that was necessary. So, and then we've got just the heat lamp. I have the heat lamp plugged into a temperature regulator. It's not on at the moment, but I have it set for 90 degrees to keep them nice and warm. Especially where I'm actually going to be adding another chick that just hatched. So we want to keep that nice and warm for the new chicks, and then once they get their feathers, they don't need it quite as warm. But I have a temperature probe in here in the bottom of the tote, covered with a paper towel to keep it clean. And then I think that's it as far as the brooder setup. So it's pretty simple, and it works really well. So let me grab the quail and drop them in. Already hitting their feathers, so they grow really fast.